Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the default layer in the Trace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button, and at the project default settings section, look for the default layer button, and as you can see, you can set it to two types of yellow color, white color or black color, or you can choose to remove the color. So just click on the one that you prefer, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.